Welcome to Sandy's Zeki Care. Hope all is well. Friends, in today's world, are we not surrounded by medicine, supplements, and quick fixes? But still, lifestyle diseases are rising faster than ever before, isn't it? So the question is, are we really getting healed or are we just managing symptoms? In fact, we need a system which will give us long-term wellness, inner balance, and true healing so that we can lead a holistic life. So in this video, I'm going to share how you can enjoy a holistic lifestyle based on naturopathy that aligns us back with nature and our own body's intelligence. So friends, listen to the video till the end for better understanding of what is naturopathy, its roots, its core principles, and how does it teach us the holistic way of living. Once you know these facts, you will be inspired to follow the ways and enjoy your daily living to the fullest. Friends, my whole life changed after I started practicing naturopathy on myself and also others. So to start with, I'm going to answer the question, what is naturopathy? Friends, naturopathy is a drugless, non-invasive system of healing that believes the body has a natural ability to heal itself. Instead of asking, what medicine I need to take, a person who practices naturopathy will ask, why did this imbalance happen in the first place? So according to this system, one must remember that disease is not the enemy. Symptoms are signals. Healing begins when lifestyle is corrected. So put it simply, when we live against nature, the body falls sick. And when we return to nature, body heals. Friends, to talk about its roots, in ancient India, practices like fasting, sun exposure, yoga, mud therapy, sattvic diet, these were all part of daily life. Even in ancient Greece, Hippocrates, the father of medicine, said, nature itself is the best physician. In India, Mahatma Gandhi strongly believed that nature cure is the simplest and most effective way to stay healthy. Now, today, naturopathy is officially recognized under Ayush by the government. Now, to understand how naturopathy propagates holistic lifestyle, well, it is not something you do when you're sick, but it is something you live every day as it treats the person as a whole, body, mind, emotions, daily habits, environment. This way it teaches the right way of living, like what time to wake up, what and how to eat, how to breathe correctly, how to detox naturally, how to calm the mind. So talking about the core principles, they are very simple to follow. It says body heals itself. Then it says treat the cause and not the disease. Another thing, the core principle is food is medicine. Then it says prevention is better than cure. Next principle it says is live in harmony with nature. So when one follows these principles, healing becomes natural and sustainable. So if you're looking for long-term wellness, inner balance, and true healing, then naturopathy is not an option, but it is a way of life. So if this video has helped you, then like, share, and subscribe. In my next video, I'm going to share the natural elements used in naturopathy and what are the benefits you will get through this system. So don't miss the next video that I'm going to upload. Thanks and bye for now. Stay natural and stay healthy. Bye.